Arithmetic series. Consider the arithmetic series 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus all the way up to plus 97 plus 98 plus 99 plus 100. That is the series of the first 100 integers. We want to sum the first 100 terms. So let S stand for sum. So we want S 100 equals. If you look at the series, if we take the first term 1 and add it to the 100th term 100, then take the second term 2 and add it to the 99th term 99, then take the third term 3 and add it to the 98th term 98, then take the fourth term 4 and add it to the 97th term 97. If we go all the way adding all the terms in the series, we will get S100. If you look, 1 plus 100 is 101, plus 2 plus 99 is 101, plus 3 times 98 is 101, plus 4 plus 97 is 101. And if we do that to all the terms in the series, we will get S100 is equal to 50, because there are 50 pairs, times 101. So S100 is equal to 50, or 5050. In other words, the sum of the first 100 integers is equal to 5050. If we look at this algebraically, we're going to get the following. S to the n is equal to u1 plus un plus u2 plus un minus 1 plus u3 plus un minus 2 plus u4 plus un minus 3 plus, until we have used every term in the sequence. u1 plus un is the same as u2 plus un minus 1, which is the same as u3 plus un minus 2, which is the same as u4 plus un minus 3. So how many pairs do we have? Well, we have half as many pairs as we do terms in the sequence. So we can say S to the n is equal to n divided by 2. Because all these pairs are the same, we will just use the first pair, which is u1 plus un. In other words, the sum of the first n terms in any arithmetic series is equal to the number of terms divided by 2 times the first term plus the last term. But earlier we know what the last term is equal to. The last term is equal to u1 plus n minus 1 d. So if we substitute that in, we will get S to the n is equal to n divided by 2 times u1 plus u1 plus n minus 1 d. We can simplify that as follows. S to the n is equal to n divided by 2. u1 plus u1 is 2u1 plus n minus 1 d. So now we have two formulas for the sum of the first n terms. The first one is given by the sum of the first n terms is equal to n divided by 2 times the first term plus the last term. The second formula is given as the sum of the first n terms is equal to the number of terms divided by 2 times 2 lots of the first term plus n minus 1 times the difference. Example, find the sum of the first 10 even numbers. The first 10 even numbers are 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus all the way up to 20. We could use either formula to find the sum of these first 10 even numbers. We're going to use both. Firstly, S10 is equal to 10 divided by 2 plus the first term, which is 2, plus the last term, which is 20. So S10 is equal to 5 times 2 plus 20 is 22. So S10 is equal to 5 times 22 is 110. Or S10 is equal to n divided by 2, which is 10 divided by 2, times 2u1, u1 is 2, so that's 2 times 2 is 4, plus n minus 1, well n is 10, so that's 9, times the difference, which is 2. So S10 is equal to 10 divided by 2 is 5, times 9 times 2 is 18, plus 4 is 22. So S10 is equal to 5 times 22, which is 110. As you can see, both formulas give exactly the same answer. If you have the first and last term, use the first formula. If you have the first term and the common difference, use the second formula.